What will your response be on the major issues of our time? For the past 15 years at Praxis, we've been asking that question of a particular kind of person, the entrepreneur. We've walked with hundreds of them from more than 100 countries. Their work has reshaped how we understand creativity, risk, ambition, and love of neighbor. And we'll always be called to work with these pioneers and the funders and innovators who help bring their visions to life. But the world doesn't just need a few more exceptional entrepreneurs. It needs an awakening among all God's people, an awakening of what we call redemptive imagination in our ordinary lives and work.
Redemptive imagination is what happens when you see your studies, your job, your household, your city through the true story God is telling, from creation to the renewal of all things. And you ask, what would it look like to join God's restoration project right here with what I have?
So Praxis is making a subtle but meaningful shift. We're not leaving behind redemptive entrepreneurship, we're building on it. As we launch new accelerators in Africa and Asia and strengthen local venture ecosystems around the world, we're also turning outward to invite everyone to discover their redemptive calling for their life and work.
If you're a student wondering what your life's work should be, a professional asking how your work could matter more, a parent or pastor or creative or investor longing to see the gospel demonstrated, not just discussed, this next season of Praxis is for you.
We believe every follower of Jesus is a culture maker in boardrooms and break rooms, kitchens and clinics, study halls and city halls. The question isn't whether you shape culture, but how and why. Win or go home and good enough are everywhere you turn. The world is starved for creative restoration through sacrifice.
Over the coming years, Praxis will be sharing more of the distinctive ideas and resources that have formed our community, and hundreds of stories of redemptive imagination and action from innovators and culture makers across the globe. Stories of people offering a redemptive presence in places of neglect and confrontation, from the everyday to the frontiers of human endeavor.
This is an invitation to look with fresh eyes at broken systems, the lonely people, and the ordinary spaces in your world, to ask how and where God might be calling you to spend your life in creative, sacrificial love.
If that stirs something in you, even just the question, is this for me? We'd love for you to follow along. Share these stories and come along with this global community of people seeking the redemptive edge in every sector and city.
Join us in joining God in the renewal of all things.